Hello everybody. Today I want to share a really amazing exhaust repair on this Jeep. This is 2013 Jeep Wrangler, and it got exhaust leak right at the joint after catalytic converter where it goes to the downpipe, and one of the bolts were broken. I don't know if you can see this on the video, and I installed the tool. I made tool myself that allows to press out the nut. It's actually the anchor nut that pressed in the hole, and that tool allows me to push that anchor nut out of the hole and insert the regular nut and bolt into this hole. So as you see on this video, there is a nut in between those two flanges and the bolt, and two vice grips are just holding the whole thing together. So what I do is just turn that bolt, and that actually pushes the anchor nut out, and I'm just gonna install the regular nut and bolt. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time. Thanks.